everybody, welcome back again here in my channel. It's Megan G, and for today's video, getting ready here, going out. This was actually our second wedding anniversary, and we still can't celebrate it together since we're still LDR. So when he fell asleep on call, I decided to get ready. In good timing, my sister just got back home from school and I asked her to come with me. I honestly don't have any plan to go out, but since my husband wanted me to enjoy our day, since we can celebrate it together, we're still apart, and he wanted me to enjoy it, to go out and have some fun outside. And that's what I said earlier, good timing. My sister just arrived from school, got back home from school. I asked her to come with me, and let's see guys what we get.
Pagod na. Wala pa na kasi muna pagod na. Ikaw na lang biglang ko. Wag ako biglang mo. Ay, tanggalin mo yung ano. Yung data. Bebe. Yung black. Malalaki ko lang. Malalaki ko. Grocery na tayo. Ganun pa tayo. Binit-bit. Oh, yun na. Dilim na. Bong, tingin ka din. Hindi ka man nagatingin. Meron din pala dito doon. 200 steps. So, ang baka na likod ko. 1 ascent. So, okay, tayo dito. Wala na. Nakasandal Kita mo, maganda na yung daanan doon, no? Bago tayo nagtawid. May nagtawag sa akin. Sige, makapala. Ah, pinatay. Alam na naglalakad yung tao. Kaya mo yan, nagsanggal-sanggal ka pa. May pailaw-ilaw pa talaga dito. Ah, ulit-ulit. Grabing pinagdaanan. Yari lang. Ako yung video ko sila, gabi sila. Jabilin? Ay, nag-blur na ka. Doon na? Ito? Doon ba na Jollibee? Ayun o. Oh, pagi ka nga. Yaya. Pagi ka nga tumilap sa gitna ng kalsada. Chowking. Ako pa tanungin mo. Tapos ikaw magre-reklamo. Sige, Jollibee na lang. Hindi, Chowking na. Madami tayong pamipilian tayo. Ha? Let's go. Kasi may dadawi kaya dadawi din siya. Sige, okay. Magtada tayo BNB. Oh. Ay, katawag ko sige mo. Video mo. Sinabi ko kasi siya. Huwag na, kumaya na. Ayaw mo siya. Ayun. Dito. Uy, sinabi ko na sa'yo order na sa'yo. Wait lang, wait lang. Na, steam. Dalawa. Kamay na yan. Dapat pinatay ko. bago lang makauwi, alas 8 na.